For this New Year celebration in Bangalore City Police has made elaborate security arrangements in all parts of the city, wherever such events are going to take place, and large number of people are likely to gather. The main hotspots being MG Road, Brigade Road junctions, and then Koramangala, then Indiranagar, 100 feet road, 12th Main, then Orion Mall, and JP Nagar in south limit. So these are the places, and even in Whitefield also. Plus many private parties are also likely to be organized in the outskirts of the city, be it gated communities and other places. So we have made elaborate security arrangements right from commissioner to the last man in the police station. All of us will be deployed, and we will be on duty for the night. No New Year celebrations for the Bangalore City Police as far as the New Year is concerned. Nearly about 11,000, more than 11,000 staff and officers have been deployed. That is from the civil side. Plus we also have nearly about 72 KSRP platoons, about 21 CR platoons, and then sufficient number of home guards, traffic wardens, civil defense have also been pressed into service to ensure that the New Year all the Bangalore citizens enjoy a joyous and safe New Year.